Hi, this is KG, and today I want to do an unboxing of this Watch Onn4K Android TV box from Walmart. I've been waiting for this release for a while now. I do have a Chromecast with Google TV already that I wanted to do a comparison with. So this is going to be a three-part series, starting with the unboxing of this box, and then a setup video, and then a comparison between the Walmart Onn4K this box and the Chromecast with Google TV box 4K box. All right, with that, let's get started with the unboxing. So I just got this yesterday, and I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. Let's see what we have here. Got a manual, quick start guide, and then the actual box. It's kind of thicker than I thought it was gonna be. There it is. It's got a little mesh texture on the top, the power button, a network connection. I'll put up the specs shortly, but it's got a LAN Ethernet connection, a reset button here, and then an HDMI, a USB 3.0 port, and the power DC in. Unfortunately, it's not a USB-C. I would have loved to have that USB-C power port, but it's got a DC in power port. Comes with a power supply of its own. And that's really it. Oh, there's also a mic on-off button, so you can turn off. It has Google Assistant built in, so it can respond to your voice commands, but I think by default it is on. I don't know if you can see that, but by default it's on to the left, and you can turn it off. I'm going to leave it off for now. I have enough Google Assistant devices in my home, so I'm going to leave this on for now. But yeah, this is basically what the box looks like. It's a little bit thicker than I was anticipating, but not too much so. So there you have it. So that's the box. And then I have the power cable here. Yeah, like I said, unfortunately it's a regular power adapter, not a USB-C. And then we have the remote. Oh, sorry, it also comes with an HDMI cable. Not sure if this is HDMI 2.1 or not. We'll find out. And then the remote. So that's the remote. Now, I know there have been some stories about the different types of remotes that comes with this box. The original shipment of the 4K boxes comes with this remote, where it isn't backlit. The keys aren't backlit. The way to know whether your remote is backlit, of course, before putting the batteries in and seeing if the keys are backlit, is that there's no free TV button here. On the later shipping units, there will be a free TV button here, right in the middle, right above the volume buttons. That is an indicator that it's a backlit remote. But I don't really care too much about the backlit aspect of it. Plus, I did not like the free TV ugly button. I'd much rather have this version of the remote, so I bought it immediately and I didn't wait for the later shipping units. So there you have it. I actually prefer this remote in the hand than the Google TV Chromecast remote. It's just that one's too slippery and too small for my hands. All right, so that's it really. Those are the things that comes with the box: the remote, the HDMI cable, the power adapter, and the unit itself. So I'll be setting this up shortly and making a video of it, the setup process. And then finally, in the third part, it'll be a comparison between the Chromecast with Google TV unit and this unit. I want to see how it compares in terms of the speed of the UI, the quality of the content, etc. All right, with that, thanks, and subscribe for future videos.